Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to learn how to live a happier, more balanced life? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 15 practical strategies to help you reduce stress and increase happiness. From mindfulness and self-care to productivity and goal setting, we'll cover it all. So, if you're ready to take control of your well-being and start living your best life, keep watching. Mindfulness meditation provides a way for people to control their thoughts and emotions, which helps them to be less reactive and more present in the moment. Regular exercise research has shown that regular exercise can improve cardiovascular health, mental health, and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Taking time for yourself. Studies show that our brains are more productive when we take breaks. Follow our tips to stay stress-free. Today our topic is reduce stress meditation. This is episode 29. Don't forget to subscribe the bell icon. Let's get started on this journey to happiness and stress-free living. 1. Mindful meditation. One effective way to reduce stress is through mindfulness meditation. By focusing on the present moment and acknowledging thoughts without judgment, you can significantly decrease anxiety and increase happiness. Regular practice helps to create a sense of inner peace and clarity. 2. Physical exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as walking, running, or yoga, releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Exercise also helps to reduce levels of the body's stress hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol, thereby contributing to a happier and healthier state of mind. 3. Healthy eating. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Avoiding excessive sugar and caffeine can prevent mood swings and energy crashes, promoting a more stable and positive mood. 4. Quality sleep. Ensuring you get enough high-quality sleep is crucial for stress reduction. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a restful environment, and avoid screens before bedtime to improve sleep quality. Good sleep helps to rejuvenate the mind and body, making it easier to handle stress. 5. Time management. Organizing your time effectively can prevent the feeling of being overwhelmed. Prioritize tasks, break them into manageable steps, and set realistic goals. This can reduce stress and provide a sense of accomplishment, contributing to overall happiness. 6. Social connections. Building and maintaining strong relationships with family, friends, and colleagues can provide emotional support and a sense of belonging. Social interactions can act as a buffer against stress and create opportunities for joy and laughter. 7. Hobbies and interests. Engaging in activities you enjoy, whether it's painting, gardening, or playing music, can be a great way to relieve stress. Hobbies provide an escape from daily pressures and a chance to express creativity, which can be very satisfying. 8. Nature and outdoors. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress hormones and increase feelings of well-being. Whether it's a hike in the woods, a walk in the park, or simply sitting by a lake, connecting with nature can have a calming and rejuvenating effect. 9. Gratitude practice. Taking time each day to reflect on what you are grateful for can shift your mindset from negative to positive. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply acknowledging the good things in your life can enhance your mood and reduce stress. 10 breathing exercises. Simple breathing techniques, such as deep breathing or the 4-7-8 technique, can quickly calm the mind and body. Practicing these exercises regularly can help manage stress in the moment and improve overall emotional regulation. 11 Mindful walking. Combining mindfulness with walking, such as paying attention to each step and the sensations in your body, can be a meditative practice that reduces stress. This can be especially effective if done in a natural setting. 12 Limiting technology use. Reducing screen time, especially on social media, can help decrease stress. Constant connectivity and exposure to online negativity can contribute to anxiety. Taking regular breaks from technology can lead to a more peaceful and focused mind. 13 Setting boundaries. Learning to say no and setting healthy boundaries in both personal and professional life is essential for reducing stress. Respecting your own limits and ensuring you have time for self-care can prevent burnout and enhance well-being. 14 Professional help. Seeking the support of a therapist or counselor can provide strategies and tools to manage stress effectively. Professional guidance can help you understand and address the underlying causes of stress, leading to long-term improvements in happiness. 15 Laughter and humor. Incorporating humor into your daily life can be a powerful stress reliever. Watching a funny movie, reading a humorous book, or spending time with people who make you laugh can lighten your mood and reduce stress. Before we wrap up, let's review some keywords from today's video. These words will help you better understand the concepts we covered. Take a look. Therapist. A therapist is a trained professional who helps people manage mental health issues, overcome challenges, and improve their well-being through guidance, support, and evidence-based techniques. Anxiety. A feeling of worry, nervousness, or fear that is persistent and overwhelming, interfering with daily life and relationships. If you found this video helpful in enhancing your speaking skills, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable content like this. Your support helps me create more resources to assist you on your journey to becoming a confident communicator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.